Metro Detroiters who make minimum wage are getting a welcome pay boost with the new year, and the dollar amount might go even higher. Thank you for staying with us. I'm Glenda Lewis.
And I'm Brian Abel. The state legislature passing a law in 2018 that increases the minimum wage to $10.10 an hour. Tipped workers will also see a bump in pay, and there is pending litigation that could impact this increase.
The Court of Appeals will decide on whether the 2018 Michigan legislature had the jurisdiction to adopt a ballot initiative to raise the minimum wage.
Independent small business owners say they are concerned about an increase in minimum wage scheduled to go into effect next month, and also a legal battle that could drive that wage even higher. Opa! The Golden Fleece restaurant in Greektown has been cooking up authentic Greek flavors now for 52 years. Owner Yanni Dionyssopoulos says every day he praises the work his father and uncle did to build the family business and hopes he's able to continue their legacy. But the pandemic has created challenges. Workers who used to be downtown are remote, shrinking the lunch crowd. Inflation has increased costs.
Everything has been rising, and it's just not the same, and it's very hard to keep our heads up and say, yes, we'll continue.
He's concerned that the increase in minimum wage could push up all wages and increase the prices he pays, even though his workers, he says, don't make minimum wage.
No, maybe the owners do.
Making business planning more challenging, he doesn't know what Michigan's minimum wage will be in the coming months.
It's just another burden on us trying to operate a business, small business.
The question stems from a 2018 petition initiative organized by One Fair Wage, which sought to allow voters to decide on raising Michigan's minimum wage to $13.03 an hour and increase the wage tipped workers get to $11.73 an hour by 2023. The legislature blocked it from voters by adopting the legislation and amending the wage to a lower amount. That legislation raises the minimum wage to $10.10 an hour effective next month. For tipped workers, the new hourly pay is $3.84. The legislature's lawyers say that's their right. Attorney Mark Brewer is arguing that the legislature gutted the proposal in an unconstitutional manner.
And there are hundreds of thousands of minimum wage workers in this state who deserved a minimum wage increase back in 2018 when the legislature did this. So they have now waited 4 years and have been denied, probably totally in this state, hundreds of millions of dollars.
The Michigan Court of Appeals is expected to rule on which plan should be law next month. To see the full breakdown of the new wage rules, go to our website, WXYZ.com. Kim Russell, 7 Action News.